How to make a smooth slow motion on CapCut PC. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can make a smooth slow motion video on CapCut PC. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you quick through this video. In order to make a smooth slow motion video on CapCut PC, you want to simply open up CapCut first, and there you want to load up the project. Now, I already have my project loaded up, as you can see on the screen. Now the next step is to simply go ahead and now here what you want to do is tap on the video, right? You can select the part that you wish to simply slow motion it. Now I don't have any video, but here I'm just showing you this demo video. Once you tap on the video on the timeline here down below, you want to head into the speed option on screen. You will find video, audio and speed option. Follow my mouse here. So once you head into speed option, right, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and here you'll find the speed. You can simply use this particular bar to reduce the speed. So I'll set it to 0.5x here, and if I play the video it should be slower. You can see now it is comparatively slow. Now only slowing it is not enough through this bar. You want to smooth it. Right now this is unfortunately the pro feature, so you'll find the smooth slow option. You can tap on it, and once you tap on it here, it should give you the option, various other option here. Frame blending, you want to select optical flow, and now if you play the video it must be comparatively smoother than before. So this is how you can create a smooth slow motion video on CapCut PC. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.